Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into inkling. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Intimation, which means an indication or hint. Intimation. For example, the first intimations of trouble. Number 2. Fancy, which means an unfounded or tentative belief or idea. Fancy. For example, I've a fancy they want to be alone. Number 3. Notion, which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, these figures give the lie to the notion that the country is strike-ridden. Number 4. Whisper, which means a hint. Whisper. For example, he didn't even show a whisper of interest. Number 5. Suspicion, which means a feeling or thought that something is possible, likely, or true. Suspicion. For example, she had a strong suspicion that he did not like her. Number 6. Impression, which means an idea, feeling, or opinion about something or someone, especially one formed without conscious thought or on the basis of little evidence. Impression. For example, she had formed a favorable impression of him. Number 7. Hunch, which means a feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. Hunch. For example, I have a hunch that someone is telling lies. Number 8. Pointer, which means a hint as to what might happen in the future. Pointer. For example, the figures were a pointer to gradual economic recovery. Number 9. Hint, which means a slight or indirect indication or suggestion. Hint. For example, he had given no hint that he was going to leave. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.